Can you believe a bird can mimic dozens of distinct sounds in a single performance? But yep, that's true. Meet the lyrebird, nature's most talented sound artist. It can copy chainsaws, car alarms, camera clicks, human voices, and even other bird calls with stunning accuracy. This bird doesn't just sing, it samples the world. And what do you think? Does it have a real voice? Yes. The lyrebird has its own original calls for alarms and communication. But its mimicry is so good, we barely notice the real it.